I'm here to answer the age-old question, can I run my air tools with a Pancake? The answer is, you bet you can. Let me explain it better with the help of this week's feature product, the 3-gallon Pancake-style compressor from Procore. A Pancake-style compressor is usually 3 or 6 gallons. Looks like a stack of pancakes, and are preferred for smaller tasks where mobility and ease of use are key. This one from Procore is oil-free, meaning that during its lifespan, there's very little maintenance involved. Just make sure the condensation valve is opened after each use and keep the exterior clean for a long-lasting compressor. This little guy uses a standard 120 volt outlet to get the 1/2 horsepower motor running and pushes air out at 1.0 cubic feet per minute or CFM at 40 psi or 0.6 CFM at 90 psi. With it weighing in just over 20 pounds, it can easily be hauled all over the job site. And thanks to the Quick Connect coupler, you can attach a finishing nailer in the wood shop, then take it out to the garage to top up some tires, and finally blow out the camper's water lines to get it ready for winter. It's a simple to operate compressor with just the flick of a switch to turn it on, along with a rotary dial regulator to make sure the correct PSI is flowing every time. There's a handy compartment located on top of the unit to store any extra air coupling accessories needed, as well as some suction cupped rubber feet to keep the device in place and bring the noise down to a minimum. So clean up and blow the dust away with this week's feature product, the 3-gallon compressor from Procore. What size of compressor do you use? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to check back to the channel regularly for more 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.